Okay, this is a quick video on how to remove these can lights from the ceiling. First you gotta take out the light bulb, doing some kitchen remodeling. Let's not forget to turn on my headlamp, I guess. Then up inside of here, you can see there's a spring. I don't know if this is the best light. Let's see here, maybe just one. You gotta push this up, pull it out. So this is just hung up in there. There's one on the other side. There's a little tab, and grab it. So this cover comes out. Now for the actual can here, this is the kind of can that you insert from the outside. This is one that we can actually just remove. They do make the kind that you can't remove from the outside. There's a lot of videos on the internet of those, but I couldn't find any information on this type of can, so that's why I'm making the video. The way I found to do this is I just put a screwdriver in this little hole here, push up and pull down a little until I kind of get it out. Looks like my camera view there wasn't very good, sorry. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So I put it in this little hole here, drive up, pull down. There we go. So once it's loosened like that, you just kind of pull it through. And as you can see, it's kind of a loop. So we got to do that to all three of them, because that's just kind of holding it in place. As you can see, it's already loosened up for us. Sorry, had to change views there. Again, sorry, I wish I had better lighting here. Not the best video I ever made, but hopefully it helps somebody. It's really hard to do one-handed. I can help support my camera. Again, up through the hole and kind of pull it down. Try and pry behind it a bit. Maybe if I can get this one. There we go. It kind of pops out. It's loose, pull it through. The last one here. Wiggle it around until it comes out. I think I got it enough there. The last one's the hardest because it's already starting to fall out of the ceiling. There we go. Loosen it up. Pull it through. Camera work on this is probably awful, sorry about that. But you get the idea. See how they pop through like that? Once we got all three of them, we should be able to pull it out. And there you have it. There's the old can light. So you can replace these, put something new in, do some electrical work, whatever reason you're taking these out for, but that's how you get them out. Hopefully that helps somebody. Thanks.